Have you ever wondered if there's a better weight loss solution? Do you wonder how some people manage to lose weight easily, while others have to struggle with every diet? What if there were an easy way to lose weight safely, naturally, and effectively? For years, experts have been puzzled by a new group of people who are gaining weight unexpectedly even though they are eating healthy foods, exercising regularly, and sleeping well. What if I told you there was a secret 5-second ice hack that turbocharges metabolism by 450% or more? It'll be the 5-second secret to weight loss. In 2022, Standford Scientists discover a bizarre 5-second Himalayan ice hack. Alpilean has found the answer and is now available to those who want to get their metabolisms working like they once did. People are raving about our Himalayan ice hack to burn fat and lose weight fast. In fact, it's so powerful that one woman was 2 pounds lighter by morning after trying it. That's actually what this Himalayan ice hack does. All you need is some ice from your freezer, and this Alpine secret. Try it for yourself before you go to bed tonight and be 2 pounds lighter by tomorrow morning. Boost adrenals, burn fat, and reset your metabolism to a younger, healthier state with the world's most powerful 5-second ice hack. From athletes in the Olympics to the biggest names in broadcasting, stay-at-home moms are using the secret to turbocharge their metabolisms and lose weight fast. The longest-living people on the planet do this ice hack each evening, and when they do, they melt through more fat in 1 week than 1 year of dieting and exercise. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe.